Hey guys, yes, you read it right. I built an iOS app. I'm not iOS developer or anything like this. I have some programming background and I really wanted to make one app because I can't find it anywhere on the App Store. And I think that nowadays the apps become more like they're trying to solve everything, but I can't find any apps that solve the exact problem. This is the app for keeping track of my money, but it's not like I don't know, the app for the grocery shopping where you put the prices for butter and yogurt, etc. It's not the app what works like splitting money between your friends. This is something what I built because I wanted to keep track of my incomes and expenses, but in the bigger field. I mean, this is something what on the monthly basis tells me how much I'm spending, how much I can accept like income. And basically, you can use and leverage this app in the way how you need it. Because I'm thinking about this app when I was employee, now I'm thinking about it a little bit differently, but still using it because I am an employee and I am an entrepreneur and freelancer. So this way I can keep track of my invoices, income invoices. I can keep track of my salary and I can keep track of my external money, what should come, like dividends, etc. So the app has one main function. You just add the payment date, and the app will notify you in the morning and in the evening, in the exact times what you set, that you should receive or pay money. And in the evening, it will ask you if you received or paid the money. If I put the invoice with your 14 days payment day for my client, I usually forgot that it's the 14th day and today I should receive the money from the client. And sometimes the clients didn't send it and I'm calling them like 2 weeks after the payment date for, hey, where's my money? And this is the reason why I built it. Okay, so now come with me. I'm going to show you the app, how it works, and I'm gonna to describe to you what value can bring to you and what problem it can solve for you. And to be honest, I'm using this app for more than 3 months now, and it's pretty awesome. I can be more specific here how it works, but I don't want to go too deep to it. Let's make it fast and easy. I make a sum model. This is the data item, and I'm loading this data model in incomes view. The expense view is the same, but it just sorting the expenses instead of incomes. After that, I build a new screen because you need to enter the data. So this is what I did. Just the name, amount of money, the date when you should receive or pay the money, and if it's repetitive on the monthly basis. Next, I made a setting screen. There is just the toggle for turning on the notifications and setting a evening and morning notification time. And recently I added the button if you have some idea or there is some bug you want to report. You click the save, you are all done. User interface of this app is pretty easy. I wanted to make it like I don't want users to just trying to find where to click to do some exact things. So it's pretty easy. It looks like reminders in iOS device, and the control is intuitive. I'm thinking about making some widget, what you can use on your Apple Watch and on your screen. So here is my iPhone. It's 14 Pro, And I'm going to show you how the app works. I'm going to record the screen as well for you. Okay, here you can see the app. It is the money view. This is the first screen what you can see. It's like home, expenses, incomes, and there is a monthly finance health and all expected income from now to the future. First thing first is good to open the settings, click toggle the reminders and allow the reminders on your phone, and after that I want to get the morning reminder at 9 a.m. and the evening reminder at 7 p.m. Hit the save and now the reminders are set. Now I'm going to put some expenses here. Add the new expenses. This is the button where there is nothing, so you can see, but if there is some, you just can hit plus icon here and let's make the expenses. Parking spot. It's like $100 per month and I'm going to pay for it every 5th of the month, 5th day of the month, and repeat monthly. It's safe and you can see that I have a parking spot payment here. It's red because it's expense. If I click on it, I can change some things. I can change the amount for 120, for example, and hit save. You can see that it changed. You can see this icon. This is tells you that this is the repetitive payment. I'm going to show you what is the difference between the repetitive payment and one-time payment in the future. So now let's add another expense and it will be present for that. It will be $200 and it will be on the 20th of February. It's not the repeat monthly thing, so the save and it starts counting down from now on. So because this is the day 0, it shows nothing, but it will be there next day. Same thing here. Income, salary. I can put there something like 1,500 and I'm going to receive it on the 10th of this month. Repeat monthly. It's safe. You can see that it is repetitive. Next, I'm going to receive invoice number 4. It will be 800. I'm going to receive it 6th. And it's not repetitive, so I'm going to save it. And you can see it shows the entries. The closest is always on the top. It's funny that this is showing some green line, but this is counting from this day. This is counting from beginning of every month. So this is the difference between the repetitive and one-time payments or incomes. So as you can see, I have multiple things here. I can put here, for example, present from grandma. It will be $50. 26th. Save. And you can see again it's chronologically put it here. And here you can see total expenses on the home screen, total income, and expected income. Expected income shows the money what you expect in the further than 1 month. This is this month, and this is, for example, if I put here income future income, really big one, and I will give it here on April 17th. Save. So here on the bottom you can see it here, but it's not here. So this is showing you if you are okay or not in this month. And I want to show you how the reminders works. So I'm going to click here like 2:20. 1 p.m. Save. Today income or expenses. So today income, and it's going to be today. Yeah, save. It's dark because it's today. And now wait. You can see notification here. Your payment is supposed to arrive today. And you can see the amount of payment, and you can see the green tick that it's income. Otherwise it will be the red cross. You can open it again. I can see it here. And if you close the app, it still remains there. So for example, if I already received the payment from invoice, just tick it, and as you can see, it disappears. It never comes back because it was like one-time payment. If I click this one, this is the repetitive every month. Just wait and watch this date here. It comes down because it's next month. So you can see and uncheck itself after you tell it that it's already received. You can as well use the swipe to delete, or delete by the edit button. So I'm going to swipe to delete this and this. And the same thing works here in expenses. You can tick this one, it disappears. I can tick parking spot and it just put itself for the next month. This is the app. Easy to use, easy to make it just for you. So this was my app. So go to the App Store and check it out. Maybe give it some rank. And I'm going to work more on this app in the future. But now go to download the app and make sure that your account has email in it, because I'm thinking that I'm give the lifetime version of this app for free for some of you. So I'm going to, if I reach something like 100 comment under this video, I'm going to give to one of you lifetime version for free, and to other ones I'm going to give a free 1-year subscription for this app. So go check it out, share it, hit subscribe and like. Don't forget to comment something if you want to win subscription for this app for free. So see you in the next video. Bye.